What's up, guys? This is the very first installment of my product review series, and today we're going to review keto coffee. If you would like more videos like this one, please comment down below and let me know what other product reviews you would like me to do. This is Cool Carmen Crawford, and like I said, today we're going to review keto coffee. Alright guys, so this is what the keto coffee comes in. I picked this keto coffee up at Ross, at my local Ross, for, let's see, it was $7.99. So the new wave with weight loss is keto. Everyone's on a keto diet, and I have seen a lot of people actually be very successful with their weight loss just from doing keto. I'm an avid coffee lover, so I said what better way to kind of try to start to do keto diet myself with tasting things first and reviewing things. So picked up this keto coffee, and on the front of it, it says you just add water to enjoy it. It's already a sweetened blend, and it is made with coconut and MCT oils. The directions is just to add 2 tablespoons, which is 16 grams, to 8 ounces of water. Stir until the coffee is fully dissolved, breathe, and then take on your day. So we are actually going to make some keto coffee on camera and taste test this and see how we like it. My favorite coffee right now is Folgers, and I love to make an iced version with it. I love to make it hot. I also love this Great Value brand cappuccino from Walmart. It's so delicious, and I put a little sweetener in there, and it just tastes perfect. So I'm really curious to know how this is gonna taste, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab my coffee cup, heat up some water, and then put the 2 teaspoons in there and taste it on camera and let you guys know my review and my thoughts on this keto coffee. All right guys, so I have heated up my water for 30 seconds. I decided to only do 30 seconds in my favorite coffee cup because I want to drink it on camera and I don't want it to be hot and burn myself on camera. Then I grabbed my measuring spoon, and this is approximately 1 tablespoon, and remember it said to add 2 tablespoons. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it on camera for you guys. And just to show you, it does come sealed. Anything you purchase, if it does not come sealed, then definitely go ahead and put that back. And I hate when things open the way that this one just did. This is very interesting the way that it looks. So this kind of looks like some kind of protein powder blend. The smell, it smells just like coconut, and I am not a big fan of coconut, so I'm curious to know now how it's gonna taste. So that was 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna mix all that together. I'm not sure if you guys can see in my cup very well, but this is how that is looking. It blends very nice in the cup, just like an instant coffee blends, and just like I mentioned the cappuccino powder that I used from Walmart, it blended the exact same way, guys. So, and then here's what the coffee looks like. We're gonna pour that in there again for you guys. So it has that nice, rich, smooth feeling. And we're gonna go ahead and drink it. All right, guys, here goes nothing. It actually just tastes like sweetened coconut water. I really don't taste the coffee factor in it. So overall, my review, 0 to 10, I would probably give this coffee a 5 as is. I feel like if you add some sweetener in there, I'm not sure if that's keto, but it's not sugar, so it should be keto. I feel like if you add a little bit of sweetener in there and some sugar-free items to kind of dress it up and make your own maybe iced coffee with it, or your own hot blended coffee with it, maybe add like some pumps of sugar-free French vanilla or something in there to give it an extra bit of flavor, that it would be pretty good. But overall, like I said, I would give it a 5 out of 10. However, it is pivotal in weight loss to change those things out of your diet that aren't as healthy as we would like them to be. So overall, I would say this is a good substitute for coffee if you do need coffee in the morning, but definitely dress this bad boy up and make it your own. But guys, that is my review of this keto coffee from Ross, and I hope that you go out, find it at your local Ross, purchase it, try it, and then come back and comment down below and let me know how you actually like this coffee. As I mentioned earlier, if you would like more videos like this one, please comment down below and let me know. But overall, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you can become a Crawford cutie, and hit that notification bell so that you can see more product reviews like this on our channel. Always remember, guys, to stay cool, calm, and Crawford, and have a great start to your weeks.